From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think that.
हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप लोग। आज हम बनाएंगे चिकन टिक्का। सबसे पहले हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे चिकन थाई। उसके बाद ऐड करेंगे सॉल्ट टू टेस्ट। उसके बाद ऐड करेंगे इसमें जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट। उसके बाद ऐड करेंगे लेमन जूस। लेमन जूस। उसके बाद ऐड करेंगे सरसों का तेल। उसके बाद इसको अच्छे से मिलाएंगे। देगी मिर्च, किचन किंग, जीरा पाउडर, गरम मसाला, धनिया पाउडर, कसूरी मेथी। इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे रेड मसाला।
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it, it's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in since the